This is my n8n workflow. Set it up as an AI agent for customer support. With OpenAI as its core, I have spent more than $10 last month because of its high usage. If you're building AI agents or applications with or without n8n, you're probably facing a similar challenge. The challenge is most of the cost comes from the AI model or LLM running in the behind, such as OpenAI, Claude, or any other similar APIs. If you want to reduce your API expenses or need free API key for testing development or small scale production, you are not alone. And this video is for you. Today in this video, I'll share two different methods by which you can get API keys for free and build AI agents very free. The first option is Google Gemini itself. Google Gemini offers a generous free plan by which you can use multiple Google Gemini models using an API key with your AI agents. To get that API key, you have to visit aistudio.google.com. I'll make the link available in the description. Once visited AI Studio, you will have to log in with your Google account and then click on this Get API Key button. Once you click on Get API Key, you will have to create API Key. Here, if your account is new, a Google Cloud project will automatically create it on behalf of you and you will get an API key. However, if you have any Google Cloud projects in your account, you will have to select a particular Google Cloud project for this. I'll select my existing project and then I'll click on Create API Key. I'll copy this API key from here and I have came back to n8n. Now inside n8n, you have two options. Either use this API key as a brain of this AI agent or use a standalone node. I'll first explain how you can use this within AI agent. I have already connected an OpenAI chat model here. I'll just simply click on delete button and I'll add a chat node again. Here I'll select as Google Gemini chat node. Here you'll have to create a new credential. Host option will be automatically pre-populated. Here you'll have to paste the API key. Click on the save button and you can see that the connection has been tested successfully. And that's it. You have multiple options to select Google Gemini AI models from. You can click on this drop down and select any model as you want. The another option to use this Google Gemini is using as a standalone mode. I'll click on this plus button and search for Gemini and select as Google Gemini from here. And this will be a standalone node. I'll select a simple action named as messenger model and that's it. And you have added this as a standalone node here. Now let's understand what are the limits here in the Google Gemini free API. I'll make sure this link is available in the description of this video. Here on this page, you can see that there are multiple models listed and in front of it, you can see that there is a free tier option and within free tier, you can see that this is as a free of charge. For example, if you want to use Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, you can see that in the free tier, it is free of charge. So it's not like that you have got this API key for free and you are abusing it. If you abuse it, your account may definitely get suspended. Since you have received this for free, make sure to not abuse this API key. Next option for us is OpenRouter. As the website says, it is a unified interface for using all LLMs. So basically it is an LLM aggregator by which with a single API key, you get access to multiple LLM models. Signing up on OpenRouter is free. And once you signed up, at the top search bar, you can search as free. Once you search for free, there are a lot of free models available within OpenRouter. For example, there are multiple DeepSeek models, also OpenAI GPT OSS 120 billion model, and there are multiple other models which are free. To get the free API key from OpenRouter, just hover over your photo in the top right corner and click on keys. Click on this create API key button. Just name anything to this key. Limits is optional and just click on create button. And now you have a API key. I'll just copy it from here. Make sure to keep this in a safe store space and you will not able to see this key again. I'll go back to my n8n account and here I'll replace Google Gemini with OpenRouter. I'll just delete it from here, click on chat model, search for OpenRouter and here you'll have to select a credential. I'll click on create new credential and here in the API key field, just paste it. I'll click on save button and my connection is successful. That's it. If you search free here, there are a lot of free models we saw on the OpenRouter website. Those models are available for your selection here. You can select any of the model from here and that's it. You are good to go. Coming to the OpenRouter limits, there may have multiple fair usage policy for this because you are getting the API key as well as the AI model for completely free. So make sure you do not abuse these keys. That's it for this video. If you're watching this video till the end, I have a salute for you. Thank you for supporting my work. If you have liked this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel because I make such amazing content regarding AI, automation and WordPress on this channel. If you have any questions regarding this video or if you have any doubts, make sure you ask in the comment section, or if you need any expert guidance for n8n workflow setup or any consultancy regarding AI or automation, feel free to book a free discovery call with me. I'll be happy to assess your project and offer you a solution. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye.